In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the devices that your Shopify account is currently logged into. This is a useful feature to ensure the security of your account and give you peace of mind about who and what might have access to your Shopify store. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, take a glance over to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your store name prominently displayed. Go ahead and give that a click. This might seem simple, but it's a crucial step to guide you to your personal settings. After clicking on your store name, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see your username. Click on your username to proceed to the next stage. This step will direct you to a page dedicated to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your Shopify account. Now, let's navigate over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a panel with several options to choose from. The option we're interested in today is labeled Security, so go ahead and click on that. This section is pivotal because it houses all the security settings and features related to your account. Once you're in the security area, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page. As you make your way down, you'll notice various security features, but don't get distracted. Keep scrolling until you reach the very end. Here, you'll find the information you've been looking for. Devices currently connected to your Shopify account. This feature is incredibly handy because it not only shows you which devices have access, but also when they last logged in. This level of transparency helps you keep a keen eye on your security, making it easier to spot any unauthorized access quickly. If you notice anything suspicious, this is the perfect place to take action by revoking access from devices you don't recognize. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently manage the security of your Shopify store, ensuring that you remain in control of who and what can access your account. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just starting, regularly checking your device logins is a wise move to maintain the integrity of your business operations. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe online.